I like flying drones. One of my kids returned home today, black. So, came in. Had to send him off to our Des Moines, our JG UAVs drone service because I crashed it when I was at practice. So, let's open them up. So, he came back today. Little paperwork. This particular drone, I named Black because he's black. See the battery? And after they fix it, they test fly it to make sure it's working properly. And here's the rest of the gear. So I'll be putting him back up in the air soon. To my drone flying family, Gilbert Robinson, Roy Richardson, Cleveland West, Mohandas Jones, I'm back. Got my drones back. Now I'm back.